Hello and welcome back to Nash's Car Collection here. Today we're going to be reviewing this 2000 Ford Thunderbird. It's convertible. As you see. My grandma's favorite Thunderbird is actually not the older version of this. It's just a recreation of this one. Everything open, so I'll just show you if everything open. I need a paper clip to get this open. So, yeah, everything opens, everything closes. This mirror folds back here. I got this a few years ago, as you saw in my model car, video. It was in it with the top down. I lost the mirror. Fell off. And the mirrors fold in and out. So yeah, it's in a very nice lead. The wheels turn, all four of them. As you can see, it's a 1/24 scale. Made in China, number 6. This way I'll get the number in a second. Okay, so the number is 68069. As you can see. Not sure what type of engine it is. There. Yeah, as you can see, an engine bay, very well detailed. The only thing I wish that they put on here was what it was. It closes. Okay, let's put the top back on. It's very simple to put on. There. As you can see, it says Thunderbird. Has taillights, exhaust, and yeah, that's it for this video. So thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and have yourself a great day.